Yeah, it's happening. So let us go the code now. All of you now, primary key, open the SQL server, write down primary key constraint. Here only I'll write the notes. Here only I'll write the notes. All of you start, no talking. Primary key constraint. Okay. Combination of, all of you, combination of not null and unique. Unique is primary key constraint. So let us create a table. Take the table from the top, Control C, paste it here. Okay. And do it what I am doing it. Okay, you understood now. Primary key means what? Don't leave the column blank. At the same time, don't enter duplicate value. That is what the primary key means. Understood? Yes. Demo 6. Write the table name as demo 6. Here you know how to give primary key. Like this you know. Okay, primary key you know how to give primary key. Like this you know. Again create the table. All the varieties I am showing you. Yeah, please come. Yeah, come. Column level. Table level, table level, table level demo 7. Just change the table name, paste the code, change the table name and remove primary key from here. And after that, all the columns, constraint name. What is the constraint name? Anything, pk 22 something you give you constraint name. What type of constraint? Primary key. Which column you want to make the constraint? Stud id. Like that you have to write it. Okay. In a table, you cannot write two primary keys. Remember, in a table, you cannot write two primary keys. Here I can write two unique keys, I think so. Again, I can write it here. If once I show you, don't write it. I am just see. Demo, don't write it, just see. This is unique, na? I can write it here unique. No problem. I can write it here unique. Any error it is giving? No error. Two times I can write it. No error it is giving. Okay. But in a table only one primary. Okay. Primary key only one time only defined. Means in that only apply all columns. Okay. Now composite primary key example. Composite primary key example. Composite primary key. Composite primary key example I am giving it. Means what? A combination of two. Okay. When a column or set of column that identifies that row as that row only is a composite primary key. You go to the bank, na? In the bank, the locker will open. Bank person will open one locker, another locker you will open. Then until then, it will not open. When we put both the keys, then only it will open. So here composite primary key means what? A combination of two columns. Okay, which should not be null and which should not be unique. Okay, it should be unique and null, not null. Right. Composite primary key example I am writing. See, I am starting primary key constraint. Understand and write all of your code. First example I have written, second example, afterwards I'll insert the values. Okay, same thing you copy, just change the demo 8 pk 25 anything you give. Primary key should be student id and f name. This is my primary key. Right now this is my primary key. So all the combinations I have told composite primary key, and I will insert the values for this one. You know how to insert first value easy, second value also easy, third value only I will try. Same. This is column level. Just by the side of the column I apply. You don't want to apply like that. This is table level after the column. This one I will write it. You know this one how to put the values. You can put 101. Same thing. You will not enter null value there. You will not enter this one. Both are not satisfied. Both of these things. Okay. I'll try. Then also I'll write one example. Insert into. First, did I created the table? Select the table F5. Now I created the table. All the tables created in VCC only. Again select this one F5. Again select this one F5. So all the tables I created. Now I am inserting into the first table. Insert into demo 6. You tell me error will come or not will come. That's all I want me to do. Okay, tell me error will come or not come. Question to you, all of you. Error will come or not come? It won't come. Okay, no error. Same again will give error. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, this is Raghunath, sir. Yeah, fine. Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Fine. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I had a holiday, but have you told me not to inform me? Okay. That means in mail, what should I have to write? Okay, to you. Okay, you are. Okay, okay. I will send. Okay, thank you. Okay, write down all of you. You can write this one time. Huh? Don't write again because duplicate values are not allowed. Again, if I press error, right, done. Next. Yes, sir. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, sir. I was on leave. He told Praveen told not to inform anyone. And he told that Tariq sir knows already. Ask Praveen. Hello. Yeah. Tell. Yeah, I'm not sending it. See, part one portion is finished. I finished well in advance. I finished it. And they have given the exam also. Okay. And I want the result from Tariq sir. Only part one they open. Part one they open. As per our whatever is the last part. Yeah. 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 Sir, that you have to contact with Aishwarya madam. Tariq sir should contact Aishwarya madam. Aishwarya madam knows, sir. No, Aishwarya madam knows who are who. If I tell anything, they will tell I am having a placement right. You cannot take. Aishwarya madam knows what is the slot. That thing I have told to Tariq sir. Tariq sir should also contact Aishwarya madam. And they give it. Yeah. Other, otherwise, I'll send to Madhavan, Madhavan. Huh? Madhavan, Madhavan will talk to you. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Okay, personally, I will send a mail to you then. Okay, no problem. Okay, done. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's there. Yeah, it's there. It's there. Okay, sir, done. Yeah, thank you. In class, sir. Yeah, thank you. Something. Okay, sorry for the delay. Okay, so this same error, if you write it again, it will give error, na? No, sorry. Next, let us write the last column. Insert into demo 8 values. Okay. Okay, 101. I can write 101 again because this is a separate table, guys. Okay. And name what Kiran. Okay. Then remaining I can keep null. There is no problem to me. This is okay. Then again, combination of this should be unique, na? 101. Suresh I can write. There is no problem. No problem, I think so, right? If I write this one, there is no problem. If I write this one, there is no problem. Yes, why there is no problem? Can anyone tell me? Combination, unique. Huh? Combination should be unique. That's what I want to ask. Okay. Yeah, come. Okay, so this is done. Not null is done, na? Okay, this one is done. Next constraint you write down. Check constraint. Okay, it will check the column value. Yes, it will check the column value. All of you write down. I'm writing create a fresh table. Okay, from primary key already I have kept it in the code share. The things now I'll keep from the primary key. I'm keeping it from the primary key. I'm keeping it from here. Primary key. I'm keeping the code. You just check it. Why everything is coming Control Z? Okay, 1 minute. Let me take only this one. Primary key. From primary key, I want to copy. Okay, from primary key, I have written the constraint. Next, I will write this constraint. Check constraint. Create table. Create table. Demo 8. No, not demo 8. Create table bank demo. Bank demo. bank id int. All of you write down check constraint. Remaining code is there in the code share. Okay, bank id int primary key, bank name varchar of 30, balance in the bank int. Here you have to write check. Balance should be greater than, if you want to open the account, balance should be greater than 1000, then only you can open the account. Create a table like this, check constraint. Same table you copy, bank demo 1 as a check, as a table level na, comma, constraint name ck1 check. Same code you can copy like this. So run both the tables. First table you run, second table you run. Try to insert values less than 1000 in any one of the table. You will get error. Insert into, this is check constraint. It is checking the constraint. It is checking that you should not enter values less than 101 bank ID, bank name Bank of India. Okay, you are entering 500 rupees. Error. Okay, here you will get error. Oh, sorry. It should not be greater than, less than, sorry. Okay, you can drop the table. Once you drop the table, drop table bank demo. Sorry, it should be less than 5000. Hey, no, correct only na. Again, what you are greater than, you should have minimum 5, greater than 5000, correct only. Don't give a create confusion. Balance should be minimum 1000, greater than 1000 na. That's all na. If you write 500, this should give me error. If I run this one, I should give me error. Yeah, it should be above 1000 na. Correct only. No error. Check constraint. It's going inside, right? Okay. So till now, how many constants you have learned? 4 constants you have learned. Okay. Not, no, 5 you have learned. Not null, unique, primary key. No, 4. Primary key, check constraint. Now default constraint you write down. Default content, here the column which you forgot. Okay, here the column which you forgot. Default, here the column which you forgot. Their default value I want to give. Instead of null. So create one table for this one. So this bank also and check constraint also I'm putting in the code share. Just check this one. Check constraint. Where is this one? Table level primary key constraint. Okay. I'm pasting it here. Check constraint. Now default constraint I'm taking. Okay. Create table. All of you create table emp employee emp id int primary key emp name varchar of 30. If I forget his name, okay, if I'm forgetting his name, default value should be Mr. X. Okay, I will forget, wantedly I will forget. Okay, when I'm forgetting that value, instead of null, default value should be Mr. X should be there. I am forgetting, guys. Wantedly I am putting null. Okay, like this. Or I am forgetting the values. How I am forgetting? Partial insert I am doing. If you are forgetting that value, what will happen? Run the program F5, see the table, you will see not null, you will see Mr. X. Oh, here null is coming. Now here wantedly if you give null, it will come null. If you forget, then only. So default constant I am putting in the code here. Just check that one. This is the code. Just all of you write. Okay, all of you are checking na code. Slowly you learn it, not a problem. Perfectly you learn it. Okay, so that you can give the exam easily, comfortably. Up to this, everyone done. Done. Up to this, everyone done. All of you. All of you. Done. Now, last constraint will come. That is little bit you have to understand properly. Okay. Last constraint will come. You have to understand properly. What is that constraint? You know, very important. Very, very important. Okay. What is that one? Foreign key constraint. Okay. Means what? Referential integrity constraint. Okay. Before making you understand this one, let me explain few concepts. Then I will explain this one. See. Let me go with the slides. Then it will be better. All of you see here. See, this is a customer table. This is a product table. Okay, customer table, product table. This I am drawing the diagram here. Simply see, before creating the database design, roughly by taking pen and paper, I will draw something. Customer buys a product. Some kind of relationship is there between. Generally, I am saying with my mouth, just I am saying that the customer is buying some product. So that buys is what? Relationship between the two entities. Okay, what is the entity? A self-contained unit is called an entity. Suppose I am developing a project. I want to store something about the. I want to store about something. That is what? Entity. Suppose I am developing hospital management system. Doctor, patient, medicine, treatment. These and all are entities. What are all coming to my mind are entities. So after defining the entities, relationship I have to provide. Generally, I am providing the relationship right now. Practically, how will you provide? Through foreign key you will provide practically. Okay, that I want to tell. See here, all of you, all the slides, everything, notes, everything I will give you. So just check this one. This is having a primary key. Each table is having primary key. Wait, each table is having a primary key. It is its primary key. It is its primary key. Okay, right now there is no relationship. But generally I am telling that employee works in department. Getting my point? Huh? Okay. So now listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Once you understand, then only afterwards. Next. This is also primary key. This is a composite primary key. Okay. Right. Okay. Right legs. Now let us come to the actual. This table you listen carefully. See here. Two tables. All of you observe carefully. Two tables are said to be related to each other. Okay. When they are having a common column between them. Okay. Two tables are said to be related to each other when they are having common column between them, and that common column should act as a primary key in the master table. What is a master table? The table which you create first is called a master table. The table which you are creating first is called a master table. Here, which table I created first? Department table I created first. That is a master table. It is having a primary key. Yes, that is the primary key. Now, the second table which I create, that is child table, we call it as child table. So, in the child table, I say that this table is related to the master table. How? There should be one common column. What is the common column? Department name. Okay? Department name is a common. These two tables are related to each other because they are having a common column between them. I agree. Both are having common column. And that common column should act as a primary key in the master table. It is acting as a primary key. So that now I can say that there is a relationship between the table. So the database designer, what he will do, he is having experience, 10 to 15 years experience. He know in the future what kind of errors comes. So by taking pen and paper or some tools are there nowadays, not drawing tools are there, you will design the database properly. By seeing that the design, you have to generate the tables. Okay. So now here what is happening? Two tables are said to be related to each other when they are having a common column, and that common column should act as a primary key in any one of the table. Okay. In master table. So here in this table, values can repeat. In this table, values can repeat. Means this employee can be again working in another employee is there. He can work in department na. In this department only, HR department. In HR department, 2 or 3 members will be there. More members also may be there na. That I am saying. Where there is a foreign key, this is a foreign key. Repeated values will come. Okay. Where there is a foreign key, repeated values will come. Now, We have to create one table like this, showing the relation. So like this. Wait, this is not important to me. Mm, like that relationship will be there. Customer places an order. Order is there in the order item. Order item belongs to a one product. Okay. Well, product refers to order item. Order item contains order. Order is placed by the customer. Author is belonging to block. These are all what tables only, but relationship is there between them. Now my question is, how many types of relationship will be there between the two entities? Okay, so I'll just tell you how many types of relationship will be there. Just check this one. That only one to many, like that. Well, let me explain. Marker is there, marker is not. Okay, let me. Okay, see now. I'll just explain. Open the new notepad. First, understand the concept thoroughly. Then I'll come to the point. Okay, see, one to one is there. Okay, one to many is there. If this is left to right, if I go right to left, many to one, both are same. Okay, one to many means is there. If I this is left to right, if I see right to left, many to one, both are same only. Don't get confused. It depends upon where you place the table. Next, what? Many to many. Listen carefully. Many to many. Many to many relationship. Okay. Now, first example, let us see one to many. One to many. Take one example. Customer. Okay. Product. Okay. All of you observe here. Ravi. Ravi. How will you tell that what kind of relationship is there between these two? Ravi, Kumar. Okay. Product. TV, watch, maybe like this. Okay. See, you want to understand what kind of relationship is there between these two tables. Okay. What you will do? First, write the entities, define the objects. Think logically. One customer can buy many products. Yes, he can buy na. One customer can buy many products na. In the same manner, now this product which he has bought, one bill will be prepared na. In that bill, only one name I can write na. There in the bill, you will not write your name and your brother's name also you will not write. Comma, like that you will not write. One name only you will write. Okay. You will not write multiple names in the bill. Okay. So one customer can buy many products, but that product belongs to one customer. Bill is made on the one customer. You will not write in the bill, comma, my name, my father name, my brother's, half you pay, like that you will not do na. So this is called one to many relationship. Okay. One customer can buy many products, but that product belongs to the one particular customer. Okay, so where to keep the foreign key? That is the question here that you will decide where to keep the foreign key. The table which you create first, there you don't keep the foreign key. The table which you create later, that only you create the in the child table only foreign key will be there. That you understand. Okay, now give me the example for many to many. Many to many. Many to many. I am giving the example. Wait. So, suppose author is there, student is there, class is there. Student, class. So one student can sit in many classes, and in the class there can be many students. Na? One student can sit in many classes. Morning one class, evening one class. So you have to think logically. Declare the objects, think logically. One student can sit in many class. Yes. In a class many students can be there. Yes. There is no problem. Okay. Then author, book. Author, book. This book is not compulsory that it should be written by only one author. Multiple authors can also write that book. So one book can be written by many authors, and that one author can write many books. He has freedom to write many books. Yes, he has freedom to write many books. So many to many relationship is there. Okay, that you understand. Then one to one means what? One to one means what? Example, one to one. See, this is a parking place. Okay, this is a parking place. This is a car. Okay, car. Okay, parking place and car is there. At the parking place, I can keep only one car. Yes, I cannot. The slot will be there, na. I can keep only one car in that parking place slot. I cannot keep multiple cars, and that car can accommodate only one place, na. So don't tell I will lift the car on the top, another car I will keep on the top. Like that you don't keep. I'm telling you, only one to one relationship is there. So that is called one to one relationship. Okay. Okay. So I asked somebody, give me some example on one to one, one to one. Simply somebody, wife and husband is telling different examples is giving some people. So don't give those examples. So again, just I'm telling like that. Okay, so one-to-one relationship, you can keep foreign key anywhere, but when one-to-many comes means you have to keep in the foreign key in the child table only. Which table is created later on, that only will be there. Okay, it's very difficult to give one-to-one example. Say one person can have only one driving license. Yes, that is also one-to-one. In that driving license, one name only can be given. So like that, you have to think logically. Think logically and write the objects and relate that one and decide what kind of relationship is there between the table. Mostly, we will be having one-to-many relationship only between the tables. Okay, let us write now foreign key constraint, all of you. Okay, relationship I have to define. Okay, why I have to keep relationship? Because it is very difficult to store everything in a single table. Okay, in different tables, the data has to be scattered and you have to jump to one table to another table. Okay, let us write the last constraint. Okay, examples, these examples notes will be there, you can check it, you can refer it, I will give you. So here in the slides, you once check what kind of relationship is there. Okay, one customer can give this, like this kind of relationship you have to remember. Next, one customer can give many orders, I understand. Okay, one customer can give many orders, this customer is given. Okay, repeatancy can come. It is not compulsory that same name you have to give. Same name you should not compulsory. You can give different name also, but the type should match here. Foreign key type. Okay, let us write the code, then you will understand properly. All of you come to the database here. Write down. First, create one table. Master table I am creating. All of you create table department. Create table department. Department ID. Master table department int primary key. All of you try. Whenever a foreign key means what? Two tables will come. Department name varchar of 30. All of you write. Insert the values in the department. Don't waste time. Write down. 10 department. This is HR department. $20 department. So like that, first create a table. F5 you run the table. Master table creator. Master table. So inserting values inside the master table. Only two departments are there, enough for me. Other than these two departments, there are no other departments. Create the child table. Create table. Employee. Employee. Like this only write you. Employee. Always primary key you give it. EMP name. Which department is working, that data is important. Okay. Which department, you can write like this also, or you can write department also. No problem. Data type should match. This column I want to make it as foreign key. This column I want to make it as foreign key. Okay, you make this column foreign key. Okay, no problem. Which table you should refer? It should refer to master table department, and in that which column it should refer? Department ID column it should refer. Like this you can give. Okay. Huh? Yes, sir. Write down, Control C, again paste it. As a table level I am trying it. Employee 2, just write employee 2. It is also referring the department. Here you write like this. You can change the column name. Which department, constraint name. What is the constraint name? NEK F FK34 constraint name, type of the constraint foreign key. Which column you want to make the constraint? Which department is the column I want to make the constraint? And you should refer to which table? Like this. Insert values in the table. This is the syntax to establish relationship between two tables. This is what kind of syntax? Column level syntax. Just beside the column I am putting the syntax. This is what type of syntax? Table level constraint syntax. After defining all the columns, it's not compulsory that same name should be there. Here department ID is there, means here also department have written. Okay, let it be. Okay, which department? Anything is okay. Okay, department same name should not be compulsory here. Did I executed this code? I didn't execute it, I think so. So what you do, department, it's not compulsory that it should be department. This and this should not be same, not compulsory that it should be same. This and this can be different. In this table I have given different name. Why? I can give different name to the column, but it should relate. This constraint should relate to, this is a foreign key, it is relating to this table. Try to understand what I am telling. Did I created the table? First table, department table. I will explain once. I run this table. No, already object exists. This also I executed. Okay. One row affected. Select star from the department. Let me check. Okay. Two values I inserted. Now child table I created. I am creating the child table. Okay. Another child, for this only another child table I am creating. But with syntax, with the table level constraint. Now I am trying to insert in the values. Just check. First table you inserted. Now second table you are inserting. Insert into what? Employee values. Employee ID is 101. Employee name is Ravi. In which department is working? 30. 30 is there. Okay, it will give error. So again, if you insert using 20, it will not give me error. F5, it will work. See, this everything will be connected. You have to check it properly. Employee 2 values. Employee 2 I am entering. Kiran 10. Only 10 and 20 are only there. That only you can enter. This I try to insert 103. Suppose I insert 103, 30. It will give me error. Check. Error. Foreign key constraint. Because 30 is not there. There is no department with the name 30. With the ID 30. Check this foreign key constraint. Notes I will provide in the class, and the notes I will provide in the downloading. So foreign key constraint. Everything you have to check it and test it. Okay, understanding everyone. If I'm entering some other value, it is giving error. Yes, because 30 department is not there now. I have to enter only those values. There can be another person who is working in the same department. There is no problem. A new employee is coming 102 in the same table. His name is Suresh. He can work in the same department 20. There is no problem. But don't give the department which is not at all there. What I did, I did relationship between one table is there here. Which table? Uh, what is that one? Department. So just I have related that table with one table. Which table? Employee. To show you the example of table level constraint, another table I just created, employee 2, and there I provided there also relationship. Here column level I provided, here table level I provided. So both these table are depending on the master table values for its existence. Okay, both these tables are depending on the master table values. You can tell only that they are working in department 10 or 20 because only 10 and 20 are provided, remaining are not provided. Hello, yes sir. Yeah, little, no problem, we can talk sir, 5 minutes, no problem. And they're taking down the notes. Yes, now from now onwards I'll mail to you only sir. I'll tell the problem because there are many here. The principal was also telling that we should not have conducted during this time. So I would have conducted. Maybe because we for try. So what I'm doing, I'm recording the session and telling them the thing. So they are learning from here and then they came. So yeah. No, attendance sir, how much is there? That much I'm giving. Now onwards, they have to be strict in this way. Today, okay, sir. Okay, then I will put a mail to you. Later today, I will put a complete mail. I will put you today in detail. Okay. No, no, that they will not tell because from all the corners I'm satisfied. That is no, no, that is why that is till now it didn't got any problem. Yeah, yeah, very difficult. I told the same thing from part two. Very important concepts are there. All of you have to come. That I have told them strictly. Yeah, 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 sir. Yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Then they okay. I got it. Okay, okay. Yeah. Can you give me the list who have passed marks list? I want. Tariq sir is not releasing. Yeah, thank you. Okay, I write down. Write this. You write down. Next, child table as table level constant. Okay, now create. Understood everyone? This foreign key constraint. Yes, yes, everyone understood this one, right? See, now I want to create a table like this. See, doctor is there, patient is there. Doctor is the master table. Patient, patient ID, patient. Who is giving treatment to that patient? One doctor will give the treatment to the patient. Okay. So this doctor and patient both are involved in treatment. Another table. So in the table, what should be there? Foreign key of this one and the foreign key of doctor. This is a treatment is going on. Treatment ID. This is the treatment. Who is giving this treatment? This doctor is giving. Who is undergoing this treatment? This patient is undergoing that treatment. So that type of three tables I want to create. Relationship I want to provide between the two tables. So all of you create three tables: doctor, patients, and this one. What? Attendance is not in my hands. Wait. Now from now onwards they will be strict. I think so. If one are not coming, they are absent and they will mark absent only. Mostly were not coming, doctor. Last table you create, then I will stop it here. First create all of you. Foreign key I have kept it in the code share na. Okay, now last you write combination. Okay, all of you fast. Create table department. No, no. Create table the doctor. All of you. Doctor doc ID. All of you give all us always give primary key. Don't forget to give primary key. Doc name. Where care of 30. Okay, this is the master table. Create table patient will come. So give the values to the doctor. Insert into doctor. Two doctors are enough. Doctor 10, doctor ID is 10 and his name is Ravi. Create, all of you create this. First create one table doctor like this. Then create table like this. Okay. Master table created. Child table I am creating. Create table patient. Patient ID int primary key. Patient name varchar of 30. Who is taking the treatment? Okay. Okay. And under which doctor? Okay. Under which doctor? This column should match with the data type of this column. Int. Okay. Int. This should be a foreign key. And it should refer to which table? Refer to doctor table. In the doctor table, which column value only should come? Whatever is there 10 and 20, that doctors only should come, because this is depending on that table. So insert into patient value (101) patient ID. Patient is what? Say, okay, say anything. Mohan is the patient. Okay, under which doctor is taking treatment? Under 20. Kiran is doing the treatment of that patient. Okay, Kiran is doing the treatment of that patient. Now this is the, again create this table. Did I created the table? I think I created the table. Okay, I created the table and I am inserting the values. Done. So these two values, so two tables I am checking. Select star from doctor and select star from patient. Okay, this much is done. Now third table will come. Create table treatment ID primary key. Treatment ID primary key. Who is taking treatment? Okay, who is taking? Just write who is taking. Who is taking treatment? Int. Okay, it is referring to which table? Patient, na? Patient is taking treatment. Okay, who is taking treatment? Now we are giving exam. Exam is activated. Okay, give. Who is taking treatment? Int. I have given integer value. So this is a foreign key. It is referring to which table? Correct. Which column? Comma. Now who is taking? Who is doing? Who is doing? Who is doing? This is who is doing. Again int. You should refer to which table? Doctor, na? Who is doing references? Who is doing? I am referring to doctor table. In the doctor table, that doc ID. So like this, you create one table. Run this code. Insert into treatment values. The treatment ID is 1001. Who is taking the treatment? Who is taking the treatment? Only one patient is there, na? 101. And who is doing the treatment for him? Dr. Ravi will do the treatment for him. Treatment ID 1002. 102 patient is there, ah? Not there, na? 102 patient is there, ah? Error. So this is okay. This will run. Okay, this will not run. This will give error because there is no patient with 102. Okay, this is about the full constraints. Okay, this is about the full constraints. So this doctor patient code I am putting into the code share. Just try to understand it, how it is going, how it is working. I am putting that in the code share also. You just check it. So these are all the constraints which you have learned. Okay, understood everyone?